Hi everyone, we all dream of giving our children the best education. But with rising costs, securing their future can feel overwhelming. That's where child education plans in 2025 come in. Today, I'll show you how to plan smartly for your kids' education and ensure their dreams come true. Let's dive in. Why child education? Planning is essential. Did you know the cost of higher education in India has been increasing by about 10% every year? A course that costs 10 lakh rupees today could cost over 25 lakh rupees in 10 years. Shocking, right? That's why starting early with a solid education plan is not just important, it's essential. With the right child education plan, you can cover tuition fees, living expenses, and even international education costs without breaking a sweat. Top education plans for 2025. Let's dive into some amazing options to build a solid education fund for your child. Option 1. Dedicated child education plans from insurance providers. These plans are designed specifically for children's education. They offer a mix of insurance cover and guaranteed payouts during key educational milestones. Many plans also provide a lump sum in case of unforeseen circumstances, ensuring your child's future is secure no matter what. Option 2. Systematic investment plans in mutual funds. Mutual funds are one of the most popular options in 2025. With the systematic investment plans, you can start with as little as 500 rupees per month and benefit from the power of compounding. Equity or hybrid mutual funds with a long-term horizon are perfect for high returns. Option 3. Fixed deposits with child-specific features. For risk-averse parents, child-specific fixed deposits are a great choice. These provide stable returns, and some banks even offer higher interest rates for education-focused deposits. Option 4. Unit-linked insurance plans. ULIPs combine investment and insurance in one plan. They allow you to invest in equity, debt, or balanced funds, giving you both growth and security for your child's future needs. Option 5. Balanced funds. These funds strike a balance between risk and returns. They're perfect for parents who want a mix of safety and growth. Section 3. Steps to get started. Here's how you can start planning today. Set a goal. Estimate how much your child's dream education will cost in the future. Choose the right plan. Pick a plan that matches your goals and risk appetite, whether it's guaranteed returns or high growth options. Diversify investments. Combine stable options like insurance plans with high growth tools like mutual funds to balance safety and returns. Take action. Now, start early and secure your child's future. Need help? Contact us today for expert guidance to find the perfect education plan. Let's build their bright future together. Your child's future deserves the best, and with the right financial plan, you can make it happen without worry. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with another parents. Let us know in the comments. What's the first step you'll take towards securing your child's future today? Thank you for watching and see you next time. Let's plan, grow, and succeed together.